Repeat after me. Repeat after me. Don't stare at him. Don't stare at him. She is awkward. She is awkward. Pour the coffee into the cup. Pour the coffee into the cup. Help others. Help others. That sounds like fun. That sounds like fun. It's new. It's new. Talk to me. Talk to me. Is that answer right? Is that answer right? What is on the desk? What is on the desk? I get up early in the morning. I get up early in the morning. Let me think. Let me think. Got it. Got it. Not bad. Not bad. Eat, eat. Eat, eat. Look at me. Look at me. Where to stay? Where to stay? How is the family? How is the family? You are kidding. You are kidding. Move aside. Move aside. Finish it. Finish it. Who is there? Who is there? Are you angry? Are you angry? Where do you live? Where do you live? Who are they? Who are they? I don't mind. I don't mind. How peaceful. How peaceful. এর ইংরেজি bullshit. Bullshit. I will come after you leave. I will come after you leave. Just coming. Just coming. Read this. Read this. Enjoy yourself. Enjoy yourself. As a matter of fact. As a matter of fact. Don't fight. Don't fight. I don't know. I don't know. Take a bite. Take a bite. I don't want to talk to you. I don't want to talk to you. Nobody knew where you were. Nobody knew where you were. Why don't you eat something? Why don't you eat something? Are you listening? Are you listening? Everyone likes mango. Everyone likes mango. She wants to be a doctor. She wants to be a doctor. Is this the bus to Mumbai? Is this the bus to Mumbai? How long is it? How long is it? What does this word mean? What does this word mean? What is the meaning of this word? What is the meaning of this word? Here are some apples. Here are some apples. I will call back later. I will call back later. I am coming to pick you up. I am coming to pick you up. Can you fix this? Can you fix this? I would like to eat at a restaurant. I would like to eat at a restaurant. How do I get to Mumbai? How do I get to Mumbai? How do I go to Mumbai? How do I go to Mumbai? I am feeling cold. I am feeling cold. When will you pick up them? When will you pick up them? There's a plenty of time. There's a plenty of time. I am thirsty. I am thirsty. What's the time now? What's the time now? Where is my pen? Where is my pen? Why are you making noise? Why are you making noise? You are an apple of my eye. You are an apple of my eye. Do you like me? Do you like me? Is anybody home? Is anybody home? Have I kept you waiting? Have I kept you waiting? Will you bring that for me? Will you bring that for me? They are speaking English. They are speaking English. Excuse me, is this your seat? Excuse me, is this your seat? I give up. I give up. See you tomorrow night. See you tomorrow night. What happened? What happened? How long will it take? How long will it take? At 8 o'clock in the morning. At 8 o'clock in the morning. How old are you? How old are you? Clean it. Clean it. You don't seem to agree with me. You don't seem to agree with me. I think you don't agree with me. I think you don't agree with me. Don't be lazy. Don't be lazy. Then we will play. Then we will play. I am a stranger here. I am a stranger here. Practice these and you will learn to speak English faster. I say one thing again and again. To speak English, you have to practice regularly. Only then you can speak English. It is not possible to speak English without practice. So, if you want to speak English, practice it from today. Like or comment if you like the video. Stay well and keep learning English with me.